What's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day. If you guys like fitness related stuff, fitness related videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button. With that fun stuff out of the way, let's get into today's video. And that is, I have been on a fitness journey. I've been on a weight loss journey for the past month and a half. And in that month and a half, I've been doing a little more research, and I came across an interesting article which compared two groups of women. One group of women drank 8 ounces of water after their lunchtime meal, and the other group drank roughly 8 ounces of diet soda after their lunchtime meal. And it was a 24-week study, and what they found at the end of the study was that the women who drank water after their lunchtime meal lost on average 2.5 more pounds than the women who drank diet soda after their lunchtime meal. Now, what they think the reason is that the women who drink water had an easier time adhering to their diet versus the women who drink diet soda, which made them have more cravings for more sweet foods or for more energy-dense foods. And so I think they were more likely to cheat on their diet. Both groups of women were in a calorie deficit diet. They both worked out 5 times a week, and they both were type 2 diabetics. So yeah, if you guys want to optimize your weight loss, stick to water, cut out the diet crap, and be consistent. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.